Windsor Castle, located in Berkshire, England, is not only one of the oldest but also the largest continuously inhabited castle in the world. It has served as a significant royal residence for nearly 1,000 years, with its origins dating back to William the Conqueror, who built it shortly after the Norman Conquest of England in 1066. Originally constructed as a timber motte-and-bailey fortress to defend London, it was strategically positioned on a hill overlooking the River Thames, allowing William to monitor and protect the western approaches to the city. Under the reign of Henry I, Windsor began its transformation from a military fortress to a royal residence, a process that continued and intensified under subsequent rulers. Henry II reinforced it with stone, adding the now iconic Round Tower, and Edward III later expanded it significantly, establishing Windsor as the principal home for his newly created Order of the Garter, England's highest order of chivalry. Edward's additions, especially St. George's Chapel, introduced striking Gothic architecture that still stands today. Over the centuries, Windsor Castle continued to evolve, both as a royal home and as a symbol of power. Henry VIII, for instance, left his mark by enhancing its Renaissance-inspired features, adding splendor that matched his grandiose lifestyle. During the English Civil War in the 17th century, Windsor was taken by parliamentary forces and used as a prison and military headquarters. It sustained some damage during this period, yet avoided the complete destruction seen at other royal sites. After the monarchy was restored, Charles II, inspired by Versailles, invested in extensive Baroque-style renovations, calling on architect Sir Christopher Wren to create a series of luxurious interiors. In the 18th century, George III, who was very fond of Windsor, initiated substantial repairs, especially to the deteriorating St. George's Chapel. He established the castle as the primary family home for the royals, a legacy that his son, George IV, expanded. George IV undertook an ambitious transformation, updating the castle to a romantic, Gothic style with grand battlements and new staterooms, such as the famous Waterloo Chamber, all with the help of architect Sir Geoffrey Wyatville. This construction gave Windsor the majestic appearance it still holds today. Windsor Castle has remained central to the British royal family's life into the modern era. During World War II, it served as a haven for King George VI and Queen Elizabeth, who moved there to avoid the bombing of London, and Princess Elizabeth, the future queen, spent much of her childhood there. However, in 1992, Windsor was devastated by a fire that damaged key areas, including St. George's Hall. The restoration took 5 years and was funded by public donations, reopening to great acclaim in 1997 with historically faithful renovations. Throughout her long reign, Queen Elizabeth II spent weekends at Windsor, often hosting state functions and important family events there, solidifying it as both a family retreat and a place of public history. Today, Windsor Castle continues this role under King Charles III, who maintains it as a site for state events and a monument to Britain's heritage. The castle endures as a testament to the British monarchy's resilience and adaptability through the centuries, and with its stunning architecture, vast art collections, and storied history, it attracts visitors from around the world.